Hello everyone. So in this session we will continue the MS Access project. So last time we discussed about the how to create tables in MS Access, right? So here we have two tables, marks and student. Two tables we have. So now today we'll see that how to create forms. How to create forms based on your table. So for that, just select the table for which you want to create the form, then go to the create menu, and in that create menu you have options form, then form design and blank form. So what do you want to do? So here we are going to create the form from the table, so we will select the option form, right? So click on that and see, you have a form over here which contains roll number, name, gender and date of birth. So in a student table we have these four columns: roll number, name, gender and date of birth, and the same form we got over here. So it's very simple, it's very easy. You can save the form, like here we have a student 1, right? You can also keep it will not allow, right? Because we have already one entity of the same name, so we don't want to replace. So here I am just writing student form. Okay, so here we have student form. So now on this form, let's say I want some records, I want some buttons, like if I add the new record to the form, I can add that record in the table directly, right? So let's see how to do that. For that, I am just closing other windows. Okay, and click on the form and go to the design view. From here you can go, and also if you will click over here, here we have the design view option. Okay, so see, this is your design view, and this is footer, and I want some buttons over here. Also you can change the size, you can modify it, right? Okay, let's say it's small font. Okay, now I want some buttons. So for that, here we have the button option, button control. Click on that, and when you will click on that, see the change in cursor, and now you can draw the button. The time you will draw the button, it will ask you that which type of button you want to create. So here you have categories like record navigation, record operation, form operation, and like that. So the very first, I want to save the record. And for that we have record operation. And when you see, when I'm changing the category, it is also changing the actions. So from here you can pick any action, any operation, right? And that button will be created. So first I am going to save the record. So record operation category, and in that we have save record action. So I am going to save it, right? Save the record. Next, and it will ask for the text and the picture. So I don't want a picture, I want a text on the button. So select text. See, here you have a sample like how your button will look like. So if I select picture, it will give me the icon of the save on the button, and if I click on the text, it will write the save record on the form. And also you can modify it. Let's say I only want to write save, and then go to the next. Here you have name, you can change it, or for beginning purpose you can keep it as it is. And suppose you want to change, you better always give the prefix, like it's a button, So you can write btn as a prefix and the purpose of the button and simply finish it, right? So see, here we have button save. Now see what we can do. Go to the form and form view. Go to the form view. See, this is your form, right? So here you can see that here we have a navigation panel. Actually we have 3 records in the database, right? So first record, second and third. And if you want to cross check, you can open the table. We have Jay, Neha and Neil in the table, right? I'm just closing it and see what I'm going to do. I'm changing the second record, and I just want to change the date of birth. It's a 1st January, and instead of I am writing, let's say 22. So what I'm doing, I'm updating the data, but I need to save this updated record. So from now I have changed the date of birth. Save it. Okay, and now let's go to the table to check that the data is there or not. Okay, see Neha, and it's 22nd January. So this way you can update the record. So this is about the save button. Now see, we have only 4 records, right? 4 records. So now we want to add the new record. Here you have a blank, but when I click on that and suppose I want a blank, in that case I can save, I can navigate, many other operations I can perform that we will see in the next session.